Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Mailgun. First, you will need to create an account on the Mailgun website and verify your email address. Once that is complete, proceed to add your domain to your Mailgun account. This crucial step links your domain to Mailgun services, allowing you to send emails. Finally, you will configure the necessary DNS records to verify domain ownership. Now, let's dive into DNS configuration. You'll need to add MX records to your domain's DNS settings, these direct incoming mail to Mailgun. Next, set up TXT records for SBF and DKIM. SBF helps prevent spoofing, while DKIM adds a digital signature for authenticity. Finally, ensure your CNAME records are correctly configured for email tracking and open rates. This ensures reliable email delivery and performance. With your domain verified, it's time to send emails. First, locate your API key within your Mailgun dashboard. This is essential for programmatic sending. You can integrate Mailgun using its robust API or through standard SMTP. Choose the method that best suits your application. Always test your email sending functionality thoroughly to confirm everything is working as expected before going live. Beyond basic sending, Mailgun offers powerful advanced features. Explore webhooks to receive real-time notifications about email events like deliveries, opens, and clicks. You can also set up routing rules to manage incoming emails, forwarding them, or triggering actions based on specific criteria. These features provide greater control and insights into your email operations. Also, check the description for a link to some great leak-proof containers and other deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.